intro.
All right, Grant, what's going on today?
Well, we're back at it. We ran a camera here a couple days ago and found that there's a low point here with some debris. This section right here looks like it's bad. We put a clean out board over there, right this side of the air conditioner. You can see the cap, but the clog kept reforming. What we did was we cleaned it out, but it's just a matter of time before it clogs again. When we ran the camera here, we realized that there was a low point in here, they call it a belly. There's a lot of debris, sand, even some broken chips of pipe. And so we're gonna just replace everything from here and tie in. We're hoping right around here, we'll tie in the terracotta pipe one more time where it should be intact and sloped properly. The city line is just on the other side of the fence. So we're just trying to locate this to get our line, but hoping that we don't have to cut this concrete. If we do, we're just going to jog over to one side and go around the concrete. That's the plan. You're under it. That's good. You see the pipe?
Huh?
You see that pipe, right?
Yeah.
That's probably pretty heavy too.
Where are we at right now?
Okay, we're trying to tie into the existing PVC. We got PVC coming out of the house. 90s, it comes this way. Here's our clean out port. And we're trying to locate by hand the transition so we can disconnect the PVC pipe without damaging it. So we got something we can tie into and keep running.
Starting to pull out some of this pipe here. Getting it out of the ground. Yep, got all the pipe out. We're gonna replace all the way up until about this joint right here.
I was going to, but it's just going to go right back in. I was going to leave it.
Just leave
Until the end.
Where are we at, gentlemen?
Talk to the boss down there in the hole.
He's the boss right here.
I'm the tractor driver.
Well, we got the, we finally found enough slope. We'll have to demonstrate how we did it with the string line. We got enough slope to give us a 1/4 inch per foot between the 2 points. It was relatively flat up till about here, and fortunately we started taking a dive, and that gives us enough slope to get the drainage. So what we're going to do is cut this off flush, and we're going to run PVC pipe from the existing PVC pipe, run it through here, make sure we got the proper slope, and tie in here with a rubber collar. So that's the plan. The next step is trying to get this clear to where we can get a good clean cut, and we should be burying this puppy soon. What do you think?
Sounds good to me.
Yep. cutting off the end of the existing pipe. This is where we'll attach the PVC that'll come from the house up over there.
Okay, we're using a line level to figure the elevation difference between the two ends of the pipe. You're supposed to get 1/4 inch per foot, but we don't have that. I think we have closer to 1/8 of an inch per foot. But some pretty experienced people said that will actually work. So what we're going to do is we take 2 identical length sticks, we put them on top of the pipe, we pull the taut string, and we look for the level. And it does look like we got to slope down. So what we'll do on the uphill side, we'll bring this down until we get a good level. So we pull it good and tight. Let's see, level looks about right. Right about there. So we've got about 5 inches, and that's a bare minimum, but we're going to go with it. So that's the way we measure.
There's a boot. That's a 4-inch PVC boot to cast iron, or in this case.
All right, Joe, I think we're going to get this done. What do you think?
I think so.
Oh, look at that. Backfilled all the pipe, made sure that it was well supported underneath, and make sure we used good clean dirt without any hunks of the clay pipe or any stones or bricks. And once we got the pipe covered, then we pretty much just bulldozed everything over, and he's tamping it, leveling it, and we're good to go home. Head to Home Depot and returning this baby.